Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Buon sini Kloi ban pelut kambun nakabanta ki bakambha ha ka jingim. Kabai school kabarem kababha ban Shngaiñ kalawai ki khun. Hande khamnyar bangin phai khmat ban pelut tam khendiat nakabanta ka jing Shngaiñ ka kali kabangi Jong. Kabangi let ngiwan man lakas ngi ta kabangi Jied ki kali ki Shngaiñ. Kani ka advertisement ka pen kan mau yangi bahaduk katno ka jing Shngaiñ ki Baieid ki Bathoiñ jongi kalong ka bakongsan. Namar bagi spare parts kimbujli ki body parts jongi ne kita ki Baieid ki Bathoiñ jongi.
Bisa di la bye em.
Ngala perkat bahagian. Na kata kadau. Passion ni. Ni pak school ya ukun, haka school ka barem. Naman him kuat ban sacrifice ya ka jing start ukun.
Pot kataru tangbang.
Kum taru ke jing Shngaiñ ukun bat ke jongi. Habangi Jong haka kali. Da ka bang ala thit, da ka ne ka kali tata. Ka ba Shngaiñ, bat ka ba yo ru ya ka 5-star rating.
Ani yo ki spare parts kan ki barem.
Spare parts? Nga perkat ya ki body parts. Ya ka bang amla ban thit ya pi. Bat baro almut. Ya ki bang amla ban bujli. Ki jing Shngaiñ haki kali tata.
Bye-bye, Jied.
Kajing Shngaiñ Jongpi kalong kongsan yani.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.